Keeping up with our motto, let learning be joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning student. I am Mrs. Sonal Shah Doshi from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College, teaching you all geography today for grade 7, chapter 5, Winds, part 1. Let us do one experiment. Take a ball full of water and take a straw. Put some paper boats and plastic boats inside the ball and blow air with the help of the straw. What happens? The boat starts moving from the high pressure towards the low pressure. That means on the planet Earth, air moves from high pressure area towards the low pressure area. That is nothing but called a wind. A moving air is called wind. So students, today we are going to learn more about winds. Now, here is an explanation. How winds are caused. As we have seen in earlier chapter that air pressure is prevailing on the planet Earth. Air pressure is not uniform across the Earth's surface. Air moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas in horizontal manner as we have seen right now in the experiment. So, winds are generated due to this movement. What is wind? Wind in simple term is nothing but moving air. Moving air is known as wind. Now, we all enjoy wind rustling through the leaves in our garden, and we use mechanical energy generated by wind and generation of electricity in windmills and recreation purposes in hot air balloons. Wind power was also used in voyages by sailors to direct their ships. So, when the winds are strong, they lead to destruction of life and property in the form of cyclones and storms, causing forest fire, landslides, etc. In this chapter, we will learn about the causes of wind and the destruction caused by winds. But first and foremost, we have to learn the types of winds. What is the main cause of wind? So, the main cause of wind is uneven heating on the earth's surface. You must have visited deserts also. You must have visited Goa also. You must have seen that the sand heats up more quickly than the water and cools down more quickly than the water. So, this is called the uneven distribution of heat. Now, uneven heating between land and sea creates air pressure which is different in different areas, land areas and sea areas, and this different in the air pressure leads to blow air from high pressure area towards the low pressure area which is called wind. So main cause of wind is uneven distribution of heat on the planet earth. Now let us learn the types of wind. So winds are classified on the basis of direction of blowing, duration means how much long do they blow, then the regions they covered, and the condition of air. So as per the classification, we classified winds into two major parts. Those are planetary winds and local winds. Planetary winds further subdivided into easterlies, westerlies, and polar winds. While land winds are of different kinds, they can be mountain breeze and valley breeze, or land breeze and sea breeze, or other type of specific local winds. What are planetary winds? They are also known as global winds as they cover the large portion of the earth, and these winds blow regularly on the earth from high pressure to low pressure belts throughout the year. They are further subdivided into easterlies, westerlies, and polar wind. You can see it in the given image. Now, due to the earth rotation, the winds blow east to west rather than north to south. Now, this happens because of earth rotation generates what is known as Coriolis effect. This effect makes the wind system twist counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Now let us see the types of planetary winds. Those are easterlies, westerlies, and polar winds. The winds blow surrounding the equatorial area, that is from 25 degree to 35 degree parallels. They blow from high pressure area to the low pressure area. Okay, and due to the rotation of earth, their direction changes. In northern hemisphere, the direction is northeast to southwest, whereas in southern hemisphere, the direction is southeast to northwest. Now these winds are called easterlies. What are westerlies? To go little ahead, the winds blow from the mid-latitudinal high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt situated near 60 degree parallel, and their direction is from northwest to southwest in southern hemisphere, and in northern hemisphere they blow from southwest to the northeast. These winds are called westerlies. And as simple polar winds, they blow from polar high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt, that is from 55 degree to 65 degree, are called polar winds, and generally they blow from east to west. So the planetary winds are classified into easterlies, westerlies, and polar winds. Coming to second type of winds, that is local winds. So they blow for a short duration of time and they blow over a limited area. They originate in specific regions, so they affect the climate of that specific region where they blow. They are classified into mountain breeze and valley breeze, and land breeze and sea breeze. What are mountain and valley breeze? Now, valley breeze is the hot air blowing from the valley near the surface of the earth that flow goes up to the slope of the mountain, and mountain breeze is reverse of valley breeze. So as they blow from high latitude, they are very cold and they blow from mountain towards the valley. Land breeze and sea breeze. Now land breeze are warm because they blow from land towards the sea, carrying no moisture but dry and warmness. Sea breeze. Now these winds blow from sea to land, carrying some amount of moisture inside it. So these are the main types of local winds. Those are mountain breeze and valley breeze, and land breeze and sea breeze. Here is the picture of mountain breeze and valley breeze during daytime and nighttime. This is land breeze and sea breeze during daytime and nighttime. Here are some of the major types of the local winds. First one is Loo, that is hot and dry wind, blows in the northern Indian plains during the summer season and generally in afternoons. They come from the hot Thar Desert. Second one is Simum. Hot, dry, and destructive winds blow with tremendous velocity from the Sahara and Arabian deserts. They are destructive. Chinook, snow eater, warm and dry winds that blow in the eastern slopes of Rocky Mountains of North America. This causes the snow to melt and increase the temperature in the valleys. Mistral, cold and dry winds blow in Spain, France, and areas around the Mediterranean Sea and originate from the Alps, and these cold winds are reducing the temperature in the coastal areas. Bora, cold and dry winds blow from the Alps mountain towards the coastal areas of Italy. Pampero, cold and dry winds blow around the Pampas grasslands in the South America. And last one is Fohan, hot and dry winds blow along the northern slopes of the Alps mountain. So students, today we have seen the meaning of wind, causes of wind and types of global and local winds. Now in next class we will see other types of winds that blow across the world. Thank you all.